Do Honda Civic trim levels affect insurance premiums? Have you ever wondered if the trim level of your Honda Civic can change how much you pay for insurance? Well, it turns out that it absolutely can. Let's break down how different trim levels impact insurance premiums. First, consider the manufacturer's suggested retail price. Higher trim levels usually come with a higher price tag. When insurance companies calculate premiums, they look at the vehicle's value. More expensive trims often lead to higher insurance costs because repairs or replacements can be pricier. Next, let's talk about performance. Sportier trims like the Civic C or Type R have more powerful engines. Vehicles with higher horsepower are statistically more likely to be involved in accidents. This increased risk can lead to higher insurance premiums for those trims. Safety features also play a big role. Some trims come equipped with advanced technologies like stability control and additional airbags. These features can help reduce the risk of accidents, which might qualify you for discounts on your insurance. Repair costs are another factor to consider. Premium trims may have more expensive parts or complex systems. If your vehicle needs repairs, those costs can add up quickly, affecting your insurance premiums. The risk of theft is also influenced by trim levels. Certain trims may be more appealing to thieves, while others come with better security systems. This can impact how much you pay for insurance as well. For example, if you look at the Honda Civic lineup, the base LX trim typically has lower annual premiums compared to higher trims like the Sport Touring or Type R. The Type R, known for its performance, is often one of the most costly to insure. In fact, insurance premiums for the Type R can be nearly double those of base models. In practical terms, if you choose a higher trim level, expect to pay more for insurance coverage. The increase could be several $100s each year, depending on the trim and the coverage you select. On the other hand, opting for a base or mid-level trim with standard safety features can help keep your insurance costs more manageable. So, when you are selecting a trim for your Honda Civic, keep in mind how these factors can affect your insurance expenses. It's always a good idea to consider both your preferences and your budget when making your choice.